Coconut. Delicious. This cake is so good. Pizza, my favorite. Bring it on, I'm so hungry. Handcuffs? No! Don't! Hey, that could've hurt. So close. If only my mouth was bigger. I got a nibble. I enjoyed that. You ready? Yeah! One hand! Oh, come on. No hands? Oh well. Let's do it. Ooh, juicy lemons. That is a lot of lemons. Suppose we better get started. Well, why don't you go first? Fine. I can do this. See? It's easy. Ugh! My teeth! I need to get rid of this! Better you than me. Let's try this again. Not again! I really thought that would be different this time. Stop doing it. I've tasted better. It's not so bad. Good to know. Ugh! Everything okay? Yeah, sure. I feel funny. Okay, your turn. You might need to book a visit to a salon after this. Here's how to do this challenge. Take a glass and squeeze the lemon into it. See? I've got all the juice. And I'm getting a good workout. I went through all that for nothing? Gotta think smart. There you go. Can't forget the straw. And I'm open for business. Freshly squeezed lemonade, only $3. That's it. Form a line. Who's next? Come and get it while you can. Oh, that does look good. Help yourselves. Thank you. Enjoy. Pleasure doing business with you. Come back soon. That was a nice day's work. Wow, I wish I thought of that. Well, some of us have brains. Cheers. I can't believe you did that! My hair! I look ridiculous! I love it! It is kind of funny. We look awful. Okay, next round. Yes! I'm so happy! I can work with one hand. Ready? Yummy! A cookie! Wait. This isn't a regular cookie. It looks delicious. I can't wait to try it! Huh? What's that? Oh no! We need to be quick! Come on! So far so good. This is so hard with one hand. Stay still! Quit it! Phew! I'm working up a sweat. This is fun. I'm actually enjoying this. Almost there. Time to get creative. Just this last part and I'm done. You look different. Red light. Oh no! Please don't! Now's my chance. I can't make a mistake. Finished! And it's all in one piece. Oh. I totally forgot. Green light. Oh, at last! Looks like you're out of time. It's so unfair! Oh, seriously? You have a little something in your hair? Lexi cheated! Ugh, I hate this game. Relax. Eat your cookie. I'm feeling lucky. Come on. Oh well. Yes! 2 hands again. Let's have a look. Mussels? I'm not a huge seafood fan. They look gross. What do you have? This is awkward. I've got mussels too. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. But I better try. Good luck. I'm gonna need it. It's so slimy. It's just food. Hey, that's really good. I'll take your word for it. I could eat these all day. I love them. They taste so fresh. Yummy! Aw, the last one! I wish I had more. Okay, it's your turn. How bad can it be? I don't want to ruin my top. Go for it. Ugh, they smell awful. But I'm gonna eat it. Good, right? Oh yeah, so tasty. Give me more. They're my new favorite food. Not so fast. Aw, I was convinced that would work. Take this. And eat the mussel. Okay, I'll do it. It's stuck. Did you just hit me with a mussel? Oops. That's it. No more nice cop. Give me that mussel. Hey! Where did it go? Ooh. Huh? Open wide. Bullseye. Ugh, it's disgusting! I need to brush my teeth! Ugh! What are you laughing at? This is so fun! Yes! Aw, no way! I hope it's something nice. Let's have a look. Corn? That's not very exciting. It even smells boring. Okay, I'll give it a taste. It's tough. I can't bite into it. Okay, it's my turn. There must be an easier way to do this. Ooh! Look at all that candy! It's amazing! My dentist is gonna be so mad. Ugh! It won't open! I'll try this packet. I wonder what this rope does. Whoa! Look at this! Now this is great service! You're kidding me! I can get used to this. Don't mind if I do. Ugh, I'm so mad right now! Okay, slow down! I get corn and she gets candy? And a butler? I need to check my phone! Wait! It's so not fair! Hey, what's that smell? Wow! Popcorn! Please stop! I'm on a diet! I never thought I'd say this, but there's too much candy! It's everywhere! This is more like it! Is it finished? Wow! Look at that! It's a candy bowl! Now that looks delicious! Let's try some! Wait! I have an idea! Let's fill it with candy! I like your style! This is so amazing! Whoa! It's magnificent! It would be a shame to eat it. But I'm going to! Go ahead. Take some. Yummy! And the best part? We don't need to clean up after. Perfect! Think you could eat your favorite food with no hands? How would you do it, and how messy would it be? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun challenges just like this one.